Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Dito ko nasisimulan ang aking video for today. Dito ako ngayon sa Stockland. Stop over muna ako dahil meron akong bibilhin na mga gamit para sa aking gagawin today. So samahan nyo ako. Sana hindi na umulan. Kagabi ay umulan, tapos ngayong umaga makulimlim. So sana hindi na talaga umulan. So punta muna ako sa Kmart para bumili ng kakailanganin natin ngayon. Early bird tayo. Time check 8 na ng umaga. Kung open kasi ng Kmart alas 8, sakto yung dating natin. Sarado pa yung mga shop dito dahil maaga pa. Usually ang bukas nila nasa 9, 9:30. Itong malalaking store medyo maaga nagbubukas. Kmart. So pasok tayo sa loob. So yun guys, tapos na ako mamili sa Kmart. Mabilisan lang naman. Ito yung nabili ko, portable tent. Ayan, $39 yung presyo nyan. Tapos bumili din ako ng portable gas tube. Ayan. Ito ay $25 and bumili tayo ng gas. Ayan, $5. So ito yung gagamitin natin ngayong araw dahil mag camping tayo ngayon dito sa Australia. So first try natin. So sana maganda yung panahon para everybody happy. Okay, so ngayon pupunta na ako sa aking destination. Medyo malayo pa kasi yung babiyahin.
I give more, I get less. I guess you just weren't impressed. Played it back 1,000 times. What makes it so wrong? Okay, I came on too strong. Note to self, I just won't try. No, I didn't cry when you ran away. I'm just surprised too, you ran away too. You really got a type, don't you? Same guy, different fun. Tell me baby, what is he got that I don't? In my bed, guess I just thought I'm the mirror image of what you want. Is it hard to get beat on that? Was it too obvious? My heart stopped. Sucker punch, watching you start to fall for the same guy, different font. A parasocial cliche. I guess you only want it when you feel it start slipping away, and he gives you space. So much that I bet that he don't know your middle name. He must be prettier on camera. Takes you to a party but won't stand with ya. You think we're both writing songs.
Wow, kita niyo yan guys. Bundok na may ulap. May foggy.
You ran away, I'm just surprised too. You ran away too. You really got a type, don't you? Same guy, different fun. Tell me baby, what is he got that I don't? And I guess I just thought.
Ayun guys, nandito na ako sa aking location. Oh shit.
Try to fix you like I was fine, and then I just fell apart. Gone in. You can see me shine with the flames around my spine. Traces of you. You got me dragged into the moon. Now it's fading.
Alright guys, nandito na ako sa aking final destination. Dito ako ngayon magka-camp. So marami din dito nagka-camp. Tingnan nyo yung mga katabi ko. Yan, camping tent yun. Tapos ito, palis na yung isa. Tapos ito may nagsiset up. Tapos yun, meron din doon. Tsaka yan. Tapos yan. So yun, ito yung camping site dito sa Australia na libre lang. So marami pang camping site dito na libre. I-search mo lang. So magsi-set up muna ako.
So bright and night, thought moon was you. Ooh,
tapos na ako mag-set up. Ito yung set up ko yung tent. Ayan. Tapos ito yung sa sasakyan ko. Kapag gusto ko matulog ay dito, pwede dito. Ayan. Kasya tayo dito sa sasakyan. Ayan. Kapag ayaw kong mag-set up ng tent, dito ako matutulog. Ayan. Ayan. Ito lang. Nagpapainit na ako guys ng tubig para sa aking pansit canton na lulutuin yan. Ito. Yun lang ang problema ko, walang kutsilyo guys. So magigisa sana ako ng sardinas tsaka pritong itlog, kaso walang kutsilyo. Meron akong dalang tataran, meron akong dalang ito nga, itlog, sibuyas, kaso wala akong Boy Scout na lang, kutsara ang ginamit ko.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships, till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. That's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. Didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside, baited by the hook, and now I'm terrified to look at my story through somebody else's eyes. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me.
Then guys, tapos na ako magluto. Ito yung niluto ko, sardinas ginisa, tapos itlog, tapos yung natira kong kanin kagabi sinangag ko. Nagluto tayo ng pansit canton. Diretso na to. Ang oras kasi ay 11:32 na. Tanghalian tsaka hapunan, isang lutuan lang. Yung matira, yun na yung aking hapunan. So kain muna tayo.
Try to fix you like I was fine, and then I just fell apart, gone in. You can see me shine with the flames around my spine, traces of you. You got me dragged into the moon. Now it's fading so bright.
So yun guys, kakatapos ko lang kumain. Nag-ikot-ikot muna ako dito. Wala naman makikitang talagang mga puno lang. Tas yung mga kasamaan mo nagka-camp. Ayan. Tapos pwede ka mag-camp dito na limited 2 nights. Kapag lumagpas ka, pwede kang mabulta. Tapos meron silang ano nakalagay dito na bawal mag-apoy kasi nga summer na dito, kaya bawal na talaga. MC Namara Reserve, ayan. Doon ako pumwesto. Talagang malayo sa syudad, bundok na. Tingnan mo yung kapaligiran dyan, bundok yan. So first time natin mag tent dito. So sana marami pang mga sumunod na kaganapan. May mga warning naman sa dito. So yun guys, yung campsite dito ay meron siyang public toilet. Ito yan yung public toilet nya. Yun, ang lawak nito. Kita nyo yan, yung mga kapunuan na yan. Pwede ka mag park dyan kahit saan. Paikot yan, meron pa sa likod, banda roon. Yan, ang daming nagka-camping dito guys. Meron ding dump site. Mga basura nyo, dyan nyo siya itatapon. Bawal magkalat dito kasi pag nahuli ka merong multa.